What if you could create a job-ready resume in less time than it takes to watch this full video? That's exactly what ResumeCoach says it can do.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Reviews. Today, we're talking about a resume builder that's all about speed and simplicity, aka ResumeCoach. Now, I don't know about you, but sitting down to write a resume from scratch is one of those tasks that just tracks. You open up Word or Google Docs, stare at a blank document, and suddenly, doing laundry that you've been pulling off for days feels more important. ResumeCoach is here to make that whole process way less painful. In this video, we'll walk you through how it actually works, the features that stood out, what you get with free versus premium, how customer support handles things, and at the end, I'll tell you who we think this tool is perfect for. And if you want a full deep dive with the latest pricing and deals, head over to bestreviews.net, where we've got everything covered. So, let's break it down. ResumeCoach is a web-based tool where you pick a template, plug in your info, and let the AI give you suggestions. That's it. You don't need to wrestle with formatting or spacing, it's all handled for you. Signing up takes about a minute, and then you drop straight into the builder. You fill in your details, the AI throws out ideas for phrasing, and before you know it, you've got a resume draft ready to go. And yes, their claim about finishing in under 5 minutes is actually true. We tested it. It's also possible to import your existing resume and have AI improve it. For the most part, it worked well with our testing. We were surprised by how the resume builder was able to fetch all the information correctly, with just a minor mistakes here and there that took us just like a few seconds to fix. Sharing your resume is easy too. You can download it as a PDF, text file, or just generate a live online link with one click. No extra steps, no exporting edits. No, it's not flawless. Some of the AI generating tests is a bit generic. Not bad, nothing that makes you stand out from the crowd. Still, for a quick draft, it's surprisingly solid. Alright, let's go deep into the features because that's where ResumeCoach shows its personality. The resume builder covers everything you'd expect, like work, history, education, and skills, but also extras like projects, certifications, and publications. You can make custom sections too, though they're pretty plain. Think of it as a good enough rather than flashy. The templates library gives you 20 plus options, and they're modern, clean, and don't scream Microsoft Word 2007. Some are ATS friendly, which is a huge for today's age. And there's something we really liked. You can switch templates at any time without losing your content. If you start with one design and decide it looks too formal, just flip to another and all your info stays intact. Customization is decent. You can tweak colors, spacing, and fonts for headings. If you add a photo, the AI even suggests improvements. It's kind of fun to see what it says, though whether you actually take its advice is up to you. Speaking of AI, let's go over what ResumeCoach has to offer in terms of generative content. The resume builder uses ChatGPT to help with summaries, skills, and bullet points. The results vary depending on the role you're applying for. Sometimes it nails the phrasing, other times it's a little too generic. But honestly, having something to start from can be better than staring at a blank box. Resume Score is also available. You get a score out of 100, which by itself isn't super useful. But a separate tool called Resume Checker goes deeper. It gives actionable tips such as skills to showcase, action-oriented language to use, and best practices like providing quantifiable results. It's not the same as a human career coach, of course, but it does give you actionable things you can fix right away. There's also a cover letter generator, and it's quick and easy, though it doesn't pull from your resume or let you tailor letters to specific job postings. So again, useful as draft, but not groundbreaking. And finally, the career resources. These guides actually surprised us. Most resume builders throw in fluff content you'll never read. ResumeCoach, however, guides are clear, practical, and generally helpful. It's like having a mini crash course in resume for free. Alright, time to speak money. ResumeCoach has a free version where you can build one resume and one cover letter, but downloads are text only. To get the good stuff like PDF downloads, advanced AI, and unlimited resumes, you'll need premium. The trial is cheap compared to competitors and it unlocks everything. The catch, it renews automatically into a monthly plan if you don't cancel in time. And yes, people forget all the time, so set yourself a reminder. There's also a money-back guarantee, but only on the subscription, not a trial. So if you dive in past those first 2 weeks, you do have a safety net. Overall, pricing feels fair. You're basically paying for convenience and speed, and if that's what you value, it's worth it. Also, for the latest deals, check out our website at bestreviews.net. Customer support is pretty straightforward. You can reach them by phone, live chat, or email from Monday to Friday. Calls and live chat messages get picked up in a couple of minutes, and emails we usually do it in a day. However, there's no 24/7 coverage, so if you're used to instant responses any time of the day, keep that in mind. Still, there's an FAQ section. Unfortunately though, it's not super detailed. Some people have complained that cancelling the subscription can be confusing, so just be clear on how to manage your account if you're testing premium. Other than that, support does the job. So, what's the final word on ResumeCoach? It's fast, it's simple, it gets you a professional resume without making you want to throw your laptop out of the window. The AI suggestions aren't perfect and customization has its limits, but the templates are modern, the resources are useful, and the whole thing just works without fuss. The main downsides are the generic AI text and the subscription model that renews if you're not careful. But if you just need a resume that looks polished and you don't want to spend hours tweaking fonts and margins, ResumeCoach is a great pick. It's best for students, busy professionals, or really anyone who wants to get a job-ready resume done fast. And we mean fast. For the full review with the latest offers and details, head over to bestreviews.net. Thanks for hanging out with us today and see you in the next video. Bye bye! Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!